tenemos el privilegio de estar en Chihuahua, México. Estamos aquí en el baño público, al lado del... This is a message.
No, it's just eating a rock.
9 out of 10 stars. Welcome back to Restroom Review Kitchen Edition. Today we are making meat sandwich. Now, first step here is you take this is your bread. This is just normal bread, store bread. Now I've actually already done this step. You can do this ahead like I did, where you place the cheese. This is just normal, this is triangle cheese. You place, so this is, if I can get a close up on this, this is the cheese that you put into the bread. The next step is you get your meat. Now you have your meat. Now this is any meat can do. Usually get, now this is just kind of this is sort of your preference. I just get usually just 3 or 4 meats, and you're gonna want to put it in the pan. Here is, and you light the gotta put your meat. You give this a quick heat up. So a bit of detail on that. Sort of just a quick toast. Now, once you've got your meat heated, you'll take it off of and then you just a quick, just give that a little tap. Hold on. And voila. Your meat and cheese sandwich is complete. And so once again, this has been Restroom Reviews Kitchen Edition. Bon appetit.